Sleep deprived? You're not alone. What if I told you that your cure for sleepless nights isn't in a pill, but in your fridge? Yes, the secret to better sleep lies in 7 foods that most of us overlook daily. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know what to eat, but exactly when and how to eat these miracle foods for maximum effect. No prescriptions, no chemicals. Let's change the way you sleep forever. Sleep. It's supposed to be the most natural thing in the world, right? But for millions of people, it's become a nightly battle. You lie there, staring at the ceiling, feeling tired but wired. And let's be real, reaching for those sleeping pills is tempting. They're quick. They're easy. But have you read the fine print? Grogginess, dependency, and even long-term health risks. Now here's a thought that changed my life. What if the food we eat could work harder for us, helping us sleep better, naturally? It's not some health guru mumbo-jumbo. There's science behind it, and today, I'll prove it to you. You're about to learn about 7 foods that are stronger than sleeping pills. And trust me, number 5 is going to blow your mind because it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now, and you're using it wrong. 1. Cherries. First up, cherries. These little gems are packed with melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. But not all cherries are created equal. Tart cherries are the real MVP here. One study found that people who consumed tart cherry juice slept up to 84 minutes longer per night. How's that for a bedtime snack? 2. Almonds. Almonds are more than just a healthy snack. They're loaded with magnesium, a mineral that works like a natural muscle relaxer. And here's a fun fact. Low magnesium levels are directly linked to insomnia. Just a small handful before bed can help calm your body and prepare it for rest. But wait, there's a specific time window to eat them for maximum effect. We'll cover that in a bit. 3. Bananas. Bananas, simple, common, but underrated. Packed with potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, they help relax your muscles and calm your nervous system. Here's the kicker. Bananas contain tryptophan, the same compound in turkey that makes you sleepy after Thanksgiving dinner. But are you pairing bananas with the wrong foods at night? I'll tell you how to avoid that mistake soon. 4. Oatmeal. Oatmeal isn't just for mornings. It's a goldmine of complex carbs and tryptophan, which your brain uses to produce serotonin and melatonin. But here's the twist. How you prepare your oatmeal at night can either make or break its sleep-boosting potential. Add sugar. Bad idea. Add cinnamon or a sliced banana. Now we're talking. 5. Warm milk. It's the remedy our grandparents swore by, and it's backed by science. Warm milk is rich in tryptophan, the amino acid that starts the chain reaction for serotonin and melatonin production. But did you know that adding just 1 pinch of nutmeg could double its calming effects? It's true, and it tastes amazing. 6. Kiwi. Kiwi might not scream bedtime snack, but maybe it should. It's packed with antioxidants and serotonin boosters. Studies show eating 2 kiwis an hour before bed improves sleep onset and duration. But the real question is, are you eating it the right way? Peel it, chop it, and let it work its magic. 7. Chamomile tea. Finally, chamomile tea. It's more than just a cozy ritual. Chamomile contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to receptors in your brain to promote relaxation. But here's where most people mess up. They drink it too close to bedtime. I'll share the sweet spot timing in a moment. So there you have it. 7 foods that can turn your sleepless nights into restful slumber. And hey, if tonight's the night you try even just one of these, let me know how it worked for you. Share your story in the comments. I read every single one. Sleep well, my friend. You deserve it. Here's to peaceful nights and energized mornings. Until next time.